PostmarketOS, an open-source Alpine Linux-based touch-optimized operating system designed to bring your old smartphones and tablets back to life. It was launched back in 2017, developed by the PostmarketOS community, with supported for a few mobile devices. With desktop environments like GNOME, Hosh, Plasma Mobile, and XFCE, your old device becomes a Linux-powered powerhouse. You can even run Docker on your smartphones. It aims to provide 10 years life cycle that's longer than most tech companies even support their flagship smartphones. Instead of throwing your old mobiles on drawer or garbage, you can revive by installing PostmarketOS on it. To get started, check PostmarketOS device wiki for supported devices. Install pmbootstrap image builder on your favorite Linux distributions. Open your favorite terminal, type pmbootstrap in it, and initialize your device by giving vendor device codename, or if your device has not ported yet, check PostmarketOS wiki for porting guide. After initialized, now type pmbootstrap install. This will take a little bit longer. For demonstration, I will use OnePlus 60. For other devices, follow installation steps from device wiki. Assuming you have unlocked your mobile bootloader, put it on fastboot mode and connect with your PC. Type fastboot device to confirm connection. Type pmbootstrap flasher /rootfs to flash on default user data partition, or you can use -- partition to flash on other partition. Type pmbootstrap flasher / kernel to flash Android boot image. Type fastboot erase DTBO to erase DTBO partition to boot the mainline kernel. Now finally type fastboot reboot to boot into newly flashed operating system. This is PostmarketOS in 120 seconds. Hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more short videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.